Everyone knows about faceless gaming channels, and of course faceless finance channels. But let's be real, those niches are crowded. It's like walking into a mall where every store sells the same thing. So let's talk about the hidden gems nobody's mentioning, niches with real opportunity, where you don't need a fancy studio, and you don't even need to show your face. When I started building Digital Delegator, I didn't want to fight uphill battles in oversaturated spaces. Instead, I started asking, where are people searching for answers but not enough creators are showing up? That's where faceless channels shine. High demand, low competition, and videos that keep getting views months or even years later. So today, I'll share 5 underrated faceless YouTube niches that are wide open right now. These are perfect for beginners who want passive income without putting their face on camera. The first niche is productivity tools. Think about it. Everyone's trying to save time, learn shortcuts, or get more out of the apps they already use. Tutorials like 5 AI tools that save you 2 hours a day, Beginner's Guide to Notion in 10 minutes, ChatGPT hacks nobody knows. These videos are faceless friendly because you can just screen record, add a voiceover with 11 Labs, and edit with CapCut. And because new tools are always launching, you'll never run out of content ideas. Next is motivational storytelling. This one is evergreen. People love stories, especially ones that inspire, encourage, or push them forward. You could narrate powerful quotes over cinematic stock footage, share short biographies of successful entrepreneurs, or even script simple parables with AI visuals. What's powerful here is watch time. Viewers binge motivational content because it feels good, and YouTube loves that. The best part? You don't need to be the voice. 11 Labs can narrate it in a natural, inspiring tone. Number 3 is career and job tips. Think about how many people search how to ace an interview or how to make a resume stand out. That audience is massive. Videos like Top 5 Resume Mistakes, 3 Job Interview Secrets, Freelancing Skills That Pay in 2025. All of these can be created without showing your face. Just use stock video, animations, or even slides. And because careers are universal, this niche has global reach. You're not locked into just one region or country. Number 4, home hacks and lifestyle. People love quick, useful tips that make everyday life easier. Think 5 cleaning hacks that actually work, simple budgeting hacks that save $200 a month, how to organize your desk for focus. Here's the key. You don't need to film yourself doing these. Plenty of creators use stock footage, simple animations, or even AI-generated visuals. Viewers don't care who's giving the tip, they care about the tip itself. And number 5 might be my favorite, case studies. This is where you break down success stories, analyze trends, or even review how other channels are growing. For example, how MrBeast mastered YouTube growth, the AI startup that went viral overnight, breaking down a faceless channel that makes $10K a month. People love reverse engineering success. It's curiosity-driven. And you don't need to be the star of the video. You just need research, visuals, and clear storytelling. So if gaming or finance feels impossible to break into, try one of these instead. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just need to pick a niche where your videos actually stand out. That's how faceless channels grow faster, not by copying what everyone else is doing, but by finding your lane and owning it. If this video gave you new ideas, hit like and subscribe. And for more inspiration, check out my video, How We Use ChatGPT plus Canva to Create Thumbnails. It'll show you exactly how others are already making faceless content work. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.